Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back in our reading class. Please take out your book, Phonic is Fun, and open page number 10. Please open the book and get ready for the reading. Oh, here we have a boy on page number 10. Where is he going? Let's try to read this sentence. But before start reading, always remember, first we should pronounce the sound and then we will connect them with each other, okay? Let's start reading. Smart Sammy wears a cap and carries a bag in his hand. Let's try to read it again. Smart Sammy wears a cap and carries a bag in his hand. Good. Now come on the next page. Oh, here we have a boy on page number 11. What is he trying to do? Let's read this sentence. Sammy spreads a mat on the th will give us the sound of the sand. Sammy spreads a mat on the sand. Please try to repeat it at home again and again. And today's question of general knowledge is, who is our national poet? Our national poet is Allama Iqbal. Okay? Now I will come soon with my next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.